Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Today on Chain Reaction, we explore significant movements in the crypto market. From the CoinDesk 20 index's steady climb to the unveiling of HashKey Capital's XRP tracker fund. Meanwhile, Bitcoin holds its ground amid US economic uncertainties, and Solana makes waves with spot ETFs in Canada. Now let's get into the details. On April 18th, the CoinDesk 20 index reported a rise of 0.4%, with Filecoin and Polygon leading the pack, both gaining 3.7%. However, ADA and Bitcoin fell slightly by 0.2% each. In Brazil, 3 executives of Braze Company were sentenced to a total of 171 years for their involvement in a $190 million Ponzi scheme, marking a significant victory in crypto fraud prevention. In Asia, HashKey Capital launched the XRP Tracker Fund, with Ripple as the anchor investor, simplifying institutional access to XRP. This partnership aims to expand regulated crypto products in the Asia-Pacific region, potentially tokenizing money market funds on the XRP ledger. Bitcoin remains stable at just under $85,000, amid President Trump's discussions on possibly firing Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Concerns over market stability and central bank independence persist as the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index hits a 2-year low. Kyrgyzstan moves closer to issuing a central bank digital currency, with President Japarov signing legal amendments for the digital som. Testing is expected to begin this year, with a final decision anticipated next year. Ripple's acquisition of Hidden Road for $1.25 billion is set to broaden its institutional reach. The firm, now a licensed broker-dealer, will migrate post-trade operations onto the XRP ledger, enhancing efficiency. Kraken, preparing for a potential IPO, has laid off hundreds more employees after a previous reduction of 15% of its workforce last year. The exchange is focusing on improving its financial metrics while expanding its product offerings. Layer Zero's native token ZRO surged 10% after a significant investment from Andreessen Horowitz, reflecting confidence in Layer Zero's cross-chain communication capabilities. Solana's price saw a 4.5% increase to above $134, with the launch of Canada's first spot, Solana ETFs. Solana continues to surpass Ethereum in decentralized exchange activity, with a 16% weekly gain. On a darker note, Richard Kim, founder of the crypto casino Zero Edge, was arrested for misappropriating investor funds. His case highlights ongoing challenges in crypto governance. BlackRock's Bidle Fund drove a 92% surge in the tokenized US Treasury market, indicating growing institutional confidence in blockchain technology for fixed-income markets. Finally, concerns arise as the SEC reduces its oversight on digital assets, potentially leading to financial instability, similar to the pre-2008 crisis. Experts warn of liquidity risks and systemic vulnerabilities if deregulation continues. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.